Aerial attack on the Ukraine have killed at least 13 people and injured 56 civilians across the country since Friday, according to the regional officials. Also, Russia launched 250 drones and 14 ballistic missiles against Kyiv alone, the Ukraine's Air Force have said, causing fires in the residential buildings. At least 14 people were injured in the capital. It was one of the biggest combined aerial assaults on the city since the war began in 2022. Also, the Air Force said it had downed 6 missiles and 245 drones. With each such attack, the world becomes more certain that the cause of the prolonging the war lies in Moscow, the Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky said on X. Also, the overnight barrage comes as Russia and Ukraine are taking part in the prisoner swaps agreed after talks between the two sides in Turkey. Describing a difficult night, Zelensky said there had been fires and explosions across Kyiv, with homes, businesses and cars damaged by strikes or falling debris. Also, 2 schools and a clinic were among the facilities hit in the Kyiv region. Otha Churyukha, a 64-year-old Kyiv resident, told the Reuters news agency that, "I wished they'd agree to a ceasefire to bomb people like this. Poor children. My 3-year-old granddaughter was screaming scared." 4 people were killed in the eastern Donetsk region, 5 in the southern Odessa and the Kherson region, and 4 in the northeast Kharkiv region. Drones hit port infrastructure in Odessa on the Thursday and Saturday, the local authorities have reported. The residential facilities and several blocks of flats across the Ukraine were damaged. Over 100 people were evacuated, including 13 children from the frontline areas. Also, commenting on the combined use of the aerial weapons, Timur, the head of the Kyiv's military administration, said that the enemy is improving its own tactics of using drones while simultaneously striking with ballistics. Zelensky also said that only additional sanctions targeting the key sectors of the Russian economy could now push the Moscow to agree to a ceasefire. Last week, Russia said that the Ukraine had launched hundreds of exploding drones at the country, including the strikes over Moscow. The Russia's defense ministry said that 485 drones had been shot down. We'll have to see how the issues resolve.